this is an affiliate site teardown. So we're taking a look at Lifewire, and we're going to look at a specific review. This one is something that should be of interest of everyone who brushes their teeth, which I hope it's everyone. So everyone should be interested in this. We're going to look at electric toothbrushes, and we're going to just kind of critique what they've done here. Now, this is the second video that I've done on Lifewire. If you're interested in seeing my analysis of the homepage and their about page, be sure to check out that video. I'll put a link in the description. For this, we're just going to look directly at this review. So you'll notice right away that there is an ad at the top, and there's a toothbrush ad on this toothbrush review, which is appropriate. So that is right up front. So some people may click on this before they even read the review, but as we scroll down, we'll see that the ad is sort of stuck up there at the top until it scrolls away. So I'm going to do that again so everyone can see. So they have the ad sort of sticky. So I am trying to scroll and then it goes away. And then what we see here, we have a nice strong headline, the best electric toothbrushes to buy in 2018. There's a nice little subheading here, and then we have a couple sharing buttons, so that's all key to note. And then we see a large high quality image. It looks like it could potentially be one of the stock images just because the colors match so well in the background there. But this, looks like they actually put a caption. So this is a photo from Amazon. The photo from Amazon. So keep that in mind. This is one of the photos from Amazon. So it is a stock image, and just everything is too professional looking. So that's not always my favorite type of image, by the way. I kind of prefer to see an image that looks more real, like the person actually had the toothbrush in their hand. There's toothpaste on it, maybe a little messy. Maybe that's too far. Maybe not messy, but at least it looks more authentic if it's more of an amateur looking image. Amazon has great images, so we can't argue with that. Okay, as we scroll down, we see just pretty straight up stuff. There's a sidebar on both sides. So quickly noting, there's a sidebar over here so that you can see different buying guides. And then there's a sidebar over here with an ad. Okay, so that aside, we do have the content front and center in the middle. And then the first paragraph is decent. They sort of open up, they tell you, some general stuff. Quickly, there's no affiliate link in the opening paragraph. So another site, the Wirecutter, they often will have an affiliate link within the first section of text. So not a huge deal because this right here is actually an affiliate link there. And then the image is an affiliate link. The button here is an affiliate link. And this price and the Prime logo is also an affiliate link. So a couple things to note. They're able to list the price here because they're probably pulling from the Amazon API, and that is okay. So if you're not pulling the price from the Amazon API, that's violating the terms of service. That can get you into trouble. It can get you banned from the associates program. So if you are listing prices on your site, be sure it's pulled from the Amazon API. If you don't understand what that is, look it up. As we scroll down, they have two paragraphs, a decent amount of text here. I would say that's 150 to 200 words or something like that. So a couple paragraphs here for the first best overall. And then they follow a similar format over and over again. So they have a runner-up, they have a budget option, and you can see very easily they just have a wall of text and then another section. Same affiliate links. There's appears to be 4. So the title is an affiliate link, the image is an affiliate link, the price is an affiliate link, and so is the button. Okay, so that is 4 affiliate links per product here for whatever tickles the visitor's fancy, right? So they could click on whatever they prefer. They're giving the visitor options here. Now, what I don't like, and I hope you saw it too, there's just a wall of text. They are listing technical specs in here. They are listing just RPMs, the rotations per minute for the brush, and just it's just a wall of a paragraph, right? This would be a great area to put bullet points, list things out, and just make it a little more clear. And they are listing 8 different toothbrushes here, right? So we're not going to read each one or anything like that. And basically, they have an opportunity to put a comparison table here, but they did not. They just have these images, the wall of text. In my opinion, if I'm looking at this, I'm like, there's like 8 different choices. I just want to brush my teeth. Now I'm looking at toothbrushes that cost from $175 to $30. Like, what's the difference? Why? And it sure would be cool to just have a table that maybe tells me the number of, I don't know, revolutions per minute, the RPMs for the different toothbrushes, like why I care. Maybe there's some sort of extra special battery for some of these. I have no idea, right? I have just a regular manual toothbrush, so I don't know how these things work. Sounds expensive to me. I just get my toothbrush from my dentist, and he doesn't charge me for it. So last thing that I notice here is they have a disclosure, a short disclosure here. They mentioned that they are thoughtfully and editorially independent reviews of products, and they get a commission if you buy through the links. Now, what is unclear, right? I don't think they purchase all the products, right? So a company like the Wire Cutter, for example, they buy all the products and independently actually test it. They don't accept donations. They buy the products at the Wire Cutter or like Outdoor Gear Lab or Baby Gear Lab. They buy the products and test it, and they have, in my opinion, a higher credibility if you just see those sites and you know that they purchased it independently. That's a little better than, just mentioning the products. Now, to be fair, the sites that I have and a lot of sites out there, people don't buy all the products. That is prohibitively expensive, and what are you going to do with like all these toothbrushes anyway? So it's a little tough to actually run the test in a practical fashion, or even purchase all the toothbrushes and then document it well. It would take a very long time to run those tests, or you would have some sort of severe receding gum line from brushing your teeth too many times in one day. I'm not a dentist, so be careful with that. So a couple things to summarize here. They're giving multiple different options for affiliate links. They have the title, they have the image, they have the price, and then they have the button. A couple areas to improve would be potentially adding a table. They're comparing, several different products with different specs. It would be super helpful to have some, just table, like a simple table just to compare the most basic things, even if it was just price and their overall impression, just to simplify things. And then lastly, they are not making use of any sort of like rich formatting or any sort of complex formatting or even bolding or anything. So they could reformat this and just make it a little bit more readable. Now, the fact is it may not like skyrocket conversions or anything like that, but from a readability standpoint, I would probably start to learn that Lifewire doesn't format their reviews very well, and I would slightly prefer other sites instead. Just again, over time, if I ended up on this site a couple times, I maybe would realize that. So that is my overview of this specific review. If you have questions or comments or anything about it, let me know in the comments. I try to get to all the comments in a timely manner. I'm not the best at it, but I do try and get to the comments over time. So if you have any questions or requests or anything like that, let me know in the comments. And be sure to check out the other videos. Actually, I have a full playlist with a bunch of other teardowns. So have a look at those. Appreciate your time. Again, I'm Doug Cunnington from Niche Site Project.